So you need to replace the button on your glove box. Well, so do I, and I'm going to show you guys how that's done. We've decided to opt away from just the button style glove box lock, and we went with the actual keyed lock because we want a little bit of peace of mind in these old trucks that are pretty hard to secure your belongings. So we're going to show you guys here just in a second how easy that is. Before I jump into it, if you guys get value out of this, if you like it, if it helped you with your build, hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 1960 to 66 trucks that we all know and love. For this fix, I bought the housing, which is part number 385220. I bought a keyed lock, which is part number 385222, and I bought a push button as a backup. These are kind of the same one, but that part number here for the push button is 385196. But today we're going to be installing the keyed version because I want to be able to lock up any of my valuables or anything like that. Say I go into a store and I want to leave my camera, I'll be able to lock it up in the glove box. So we're going to go ahead and install this. So all we're going to need is part number 385220, which is the housing, and the lock, which is 385222. If you need any of the parts to get this job done, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have them all listed right there for you. And the only tools we need to perform this job are a screwdriver. Now this just happened to break, just normal wear and tear. But on the back side of this housing, which if I would have known I didn't need this, I wouldn't have bought it. But there's not a lot of info out there on how these go together. So all we're going to do is unscrew from the back. Pull the housing off and push the button through. So very easy to get this off. We'll undo the housing. Comes with one little screw. Then we get the lock. We'll take the button part of the housing with this notch, face the notch towards the front of the truck, push the button in on the bottom, and push it up through. Keep pushing until it's all the way through. So we tested it, we know it works, so we'll push it in, pop it out. Now due to the shape of the lock and with the latch there, there's only one way to put this piece on, the bracket that holds it all together, or holds it in place really. And that's basically with the cutouts facing the front of the truck and the back of the truck. And we'll take the screw and the lock washer and tighten this down. And we'll take our screwdriver there, finish tightening it down. We don't want to get too tight. For anybody who didn't understand where that screw was, it's right here. That holds the housing on to the lock itself. It's a pretty simple design. It's really not complicated. I'd say maybe a 5-minute fix. You don't push all the way in, you just turn it and pull it out. Then you can't push this in. So if you were to put the key in, turn, then push, it will release. Again, we're just gonna put the key in, twist it, now it's locked. You can't push that down, you can't open it up. We'll open it by spinning it, pulling the key out, pushing the lock, and there you go. Alright guys, now your belongings are safe in the glove box. I really think upgrading to that locking glove box is a must-have, especially if you want the peace of mind of knowing that your belongings are safe. After all, this is an older vehicle without the modern creature comforts and security features of our newer trucks, especially the fact it's a single cab. It's really hard to secure things unless you have a toolbox or something like that. Regardless, if this video helped you guys out, if you learned something, if you're able to fix your truck, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 1960s to 66 trucks that we all know and love. And if you want to hang out with Dave and I outside of YouTube here, go ahead and find us on Instagram at The Brothers Workshop. I'll catch you in the next one.